So now I'm in Hollywood. If you know Hollywood at all, this is kind of the quieter part. Just south down there is Desano's Pizza, one of the best pizza places we have. And up there, if you can see, Griffith Observatory. So nice and quiet. We are going to go see this house. About 6 months ago, I featured this house. There's 4 units. It was really great. It was for sale. And I think they took it off the market. They were good rents. It's really cute. It's like a nice compound. There was art in the hallways. Anyway, we're not seeing that one. We are seeing this cute little green one today, and I will get you the details and the price. Great porch.
That's what those parking signs are about, I think.
Oh, look at that. That's interesting. Hi. Good kitchen. Oh man, look at the wood. Dang. Oh my God, I love this house. How sweet. Look at all that wood. Okay, so far this is my favorite house today. This sweet door. I'm in love. I love this house. Wow. Holy cow. Okay, so it is priced at 1.3. It's 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, almost 1,900 square feet. And let's see if I can go. It's clean as a whistle. I'm gonna go out there. It's pretty quiet, and there's a lot of this podocarpus tree for privacy all the way around. This is pristine. Okay, so just show you a little bit. The awning's new. It is very private. So there's a lot of units right there. You'd have to put up with that. And next door, concrete, new, like lightly polished, great doors. This is incredible. I am so happy I went to that last house. A lot of people skip area 20, which is Hollywood, and they caravan in Hancock Park or north of in Los Feliz. That's in Hollywood. It's 6 something a square foot. That house was fantastic.
It's all quarter sawn pine throughout the entire place.
So cool. So I got my little entry. Oh, this is all pine?
Yeah, quarter sawn. So
Look at that. How interesting.
there, so you could access it through the pull down.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's
It's special. Look at this door. No way. I'm gonna keep going here. Oh. Back to the living room. So 980.
yeah, it's like
It's
just
1,300 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3 baths.
ridiculous attention to detail, like
Yeah.
just not to be believed.
What? Oh my gosh. The details. Wow. This is crazy. Another little door.
Yeah, that's a chamber.
Where is there another room underneath? Considered the guest house.
Yeah.
Washer, dryer, shower. That's so cute. Step down. Oh my gosh. Little kitchenette.
With
Wow.
the little mini O'Keefe and Merrick here. Attention to detail.
Oh my God. This place is fantastic.
Oh.
Open that up again.
I feel like Carol
No
Merrill.
way. You put your iron there. I've actually never seen that. I have seen this puppy. So I have seen the ironing board. Some people turn them into spice racks, but the back, that is, so really no yard, just cute little chairs. And
Well, you have a front yard.
yeah,
where
that's
I was.
private.
Yeah.
And under the house, stinking cute again. Does the tenant use this area?
Everything's negotiable.
Yeah.
I mean, you know.
There's no tenant now, right?
No.
Those were two great houses in East Hollywood. If you want to go back and see them with me, give me a call. The first one was 1.3, the second one was 980, and I'm happy to go back. I don't think they're going to be on long, so contact me soon.